Every rear derailleur has two screws that set its movement limits. These screws don't control the indexing. Their job is to stop the derailleur when it reaches the lowest or highest gear. Without them, the derailleur would keep moving past the highest and lowest gears, causing the chain to slip off the cogs. Limit screws on rear derailleurs are usually placed either at the backside or at the front of the mech. One screw, often labelled H for high gear, prevents the chain from slipping off the smallest rear cog. The other, marked L for low gear, stops the chain from coming off the largest rear cog. The end of the limit screw has either a crosshead screwdriver fitting or an Allen key fitting. When may you need to adjust the limit screws? When setting up a new bike. New bikes often need additional adjustment of the limit screws to ensure smooth operation. Replacing the derailleur. Limit screws on a new derailleur are preset below the reach limits to prevent the chain from slipping off until it's properly adjusted. Signs of the limit screws needs adjusting. If the low limiter on the rear derailleur is screwing too far, then the chain won't shift to the lowest gear. If it's not tightened enough, the chain might slip off the lowest gear. If the high limiter on the rear derailleur is screwing too far, then the chain won't reach the highest gear. And if it's too loose, the chain might fall off the highest gear. Limit screws are typically set by the manufacturer or bike shop and generally shouldn't be adjusted afterward. If you notice any of these issues over time, it's unlikely that the limit screws are the cause. Instead, they might signal other gear-related problems. Using a work stand for this task is highly recommended, as it makes the adjustment much easier. Shift the derailleur to the highest gear at the rear. Loosen the gear cable. Find the high limit screw. If there's no marking to identify the screws, choose one and start turning it anti-clockwise. If it's the high gear limit screw, the derailleur arm will move towards the frame. If the derailleur doesn't move, then the screw you're adjusting is the low limit screw. To adjust the high limit screw, stand behind the bike and make sure that the smallest cog and the top jockey wheel are in line. If the top jockey wheel is offset to the right, turn the high limit screw clockwise in small increments, about a quarter turn at a time, until the jockey wheel aligns with the smallest sprocket. If the top jockey wheel is offset to the left, turn the high limit screw anti-clockwise in small increments, about a quarter turn at a time, until the jockey wheel aligns with the smallest sprocket. To adjust the low limit screw, rotate the crank forward and manually push the derailleur to the largest cog, lowest gear. If the top jockey wheel is offset to the left, turn the low limit screw clockwise in small increments, about a quarter turn at a time, until the jockey wheel lines up with the largest sprocket. If the top jockey wheel is offset to the right, turn the low limit screw anti-clockwise in small increments, about a quarter turn at a time, until it aligns with the largest sprocket. Once you're happy with the adjustments to both limit screws, shift the derailleur to the highest gear at the back. Tighten the brake cable and test the highest and lowest gears to make sure that the limit screws are set up correctly. And that's it! You can now successfully adjust the limit screws on your rear derailleur. Thanks for staying with me all the way to the end. I'd love to hear if you found the tips in this video helpful and how things went while adjusting the limit screws on your rear mech. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support means a lot. Thanks for all the subscriptions, likes, comments, and for sharing my videos on various social medias and forums. If you're interested, you can also become a channel member for some awesome perks and to help support the channel's growth. Simply click the Become Member icon on the screen to find out more. Thanks, and see you very soon!